Hi, welcome to the TunesKit channel. Today's video will show you how to fix iPhone stuck on Apple logo. Method 1. Force restart iPhone. For iPhone 8 or later, press the volume up button quickly and release it, then press the volume down button and release it. Finally, press and hold the power button until the Apple logo reappears on the screen. Method 2. Fix iPhone stuck on Apple logo by iTunes. You will need to click on the summary option that lies on the left menu. Then click on the Restore iPhone option. A reminder that the system is being downloaded will appear in the upper left corner. This is preparing your iPhone to update the system and erase the original system. Wait a few minutes and the iPhone will restart. Method 3. Use TunesKit iOS system recovery to fix. If your problem still cannot be fixed, you need a professional repair tool to help you. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to computer and open the TunesKit. Choose iOS System Repair section and press the Start button. Step 2. Select Standard Repairing Mode. This mode will not cause your data to be lost. Next, you should confirm your device information is correct and then press the Download button to download the firmware package. Do not disconnect from the computer during the download process. The firmware package will start to be automatically parsed after downloading. Then click the Repair button and wait for the recovery process to complete. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us through the support center, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more helpful tutorials.